Nuclear Shopworks here, and on this episode we are going to try and attempt to swap out the cam bearings on the 400 big block. And apparently it's quite difficult with the engine assembled. I've never done this before. I've thought about it, but normally I've got a bare engine block, put the cam bearings in first, and away you go. As you can see, there's not a whole lot of room for getting your hands in there to finagle everything. So it is going to be interesting to say the least, but I think I can do it. I'm a little worried about cam bearing number 4 because it supplies oil to the cylinder heads. But we're going to do the best we can. If we got to reposition them a couple times, so be it. And, well, let's see what I can do here. Commence with the swearing, and I'll try to show you as much as I can. Here goes. Alright, so pulling them out, actually fairly easy. The fun is going to be lining up the oil holes where they need to go. So, I don't know, I might have to actually, I think I'll flip the engine over for this, because then I can actually line everything up straight up and down. The hole goes on the bottom. I can mark the, I can mark the tool, and hopefully we get this right the first time on each one of them. 5 tries to get it wrong though. Here goes. Alright guys, cam bearings are in. I'll be honest, it wasn't that bad to do, just a little finicky. I'm glad it was a big block Dodge. They seem to have a lot more room in the bottom end. I was doing cam bearings on a 427 big block recently, about 5 weeks ago, and it was a lot tighter, I'll be honest. I know that the degree of the engine is tighter, but it sure makes a difference. And anyway, long story short, we are good to go to install our camshaft now. So we're going to whack the cam in it, and we're probably going to leave it for another episode to do that. I got to go over a couple little things, clean up some gasket surfaces, and it's easier to protect everything when you don't got fresh lubricant and all that jazz down already. I don't need a whole pile of junk, you know, sticking to the lobes of the cam and helping with the camshaft breaking. Anyway guys, it is doable. Not as easy as a bare block, but very doable. I would never want to try to attempt it inside of a engine bay. That'd be a complete nightmare. But I would do it again. And all I pulled off of it was obviously the valve covers, the rocker arms, the push rods, the lifters, and the cam out, time chain and gears, and oil pan. I mean, really, that's stuff you're going to have off if you're resealing an engine anyway. So we win this round. Thanks for watching, guys. Really appreciate it. And thank you for all your support. Everybody have a good night.